In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to unlock spicy mode and enable NSFW on Grok AI. Let's get started. First, launch your Grok AI app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on two bars given at the top left. Now click on the settings icon given at the bottom right. Now click on your username. You're gonna find this option of birth year. Click on that. Set it to 2002 or earlier to unlock the NSFW features. This is a crucial step to enable the spicy content. Now that you have updated your birth year, hit back. Click on the option NSFW preferences. Under this, you're gonna find two options: show mature content and blur mature image and videos. Toggle on for both of these options. Then hit back. Now run this command prompt. Enable spicy mode. And just with that, it will be enabled. Now I can enjoy Grok without the standard corporate filters, diving straight into the full experience of spicy mode. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.